So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about," which I was talking about AI art. Whatever. He's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea. Like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI art to generate some hairstyles. And I'm going to just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put it in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem. Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem is book 1, Miropelia is book 2, and I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programmy stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe, so you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. You're just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're gonna put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or something like that. Or you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because like everybody's like, oh, I'm a nerd. And they're like Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's like everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd, that means no one's a nerd. Come on down to WordPress Town and hang out with good old Orbem Order and his scotch. You know what we do here. We party. Macs are good. They're just solid. They're kind of just like dependable more than anything. I mean, if you want control over your system at all, don't get a Mac. If you want to an overclock and go beyond the capabilities of a normal computer, don't get a Mac. It is what it is. It's as is, you know what I mean? It's just, you know, all the companies I've worked for, they just provide a MacBook Pro when you start working for them, so you kind of get used to it. When I was doing my freelance days and when I had to provide my own machines, I always had a PC laptop, or I never wanted to shell out for the money. Now it's very important. It allows me to trimulcast, you know, 3 different places at the same time. Linux, I've never used Linux, honestly. I know a lot of people do, and a lot of people like it. Especially with, you know, it's come a long way. I've never learned or done anything that I wasn't getting paid for. There's only so much time in the world, so much time in your life. I'll be honest, I was working for my first real job where I was post-production coordinator. I was doing like high volume photo retouching, and I was driving an hour there and back. I was stuck in traffic all the time, and I got a motorcycle, and even that wasn't that great. You know, I'd get there quicker and stuff, but the work was just so stale, and I wanted to be a web developer, and I got in a motorcycle accident, crushed my foot, ended up having to go to the hospital, and I was in the hospital for a week. Other than when they were trying to reset the bones and stuff, it was probably the best experience I had in a while. Just laying in bed for a week, people bringing me food, just knowing that I had the ultimate excuse to not work and like reset. I felt like this is great. Like, I need this break. And I knew I wasn't going to get it unless it was forced on me, because I never took time off or vacations. I'm still that way. It's really hard for me to take time off. It's harder on me. If you're really worried about, you know, your interactions online, get a VPN, and then say you're coming from the UK, because every website, I'm a website programmer, I know this. Every website has super strict GDPR rules now. And we try to have the least amount of restrictions on the cookies that we can run, the scripts we can run. So any edge, any inch that we can get to like add another script on the page or add another cookie, we'll do it, because it's better for marketing purposes. It's better for dynamic content, that kind of stuff. I mean, it's not really like nefarious, but if you want to be safe, GDPR makes it almost impossible for websites to track anything without explicit consent. That's the difference. GDPR rules, they require you to opt in, whereas California and all these other laws, they require you to opt out. But on first load, you're getting tracked, right? All right, let's see if you can guess the song with screaming instead of singing. Did you get it? Graham, the main character. It's attached to
the Monday Crew.
I mean, he created a whole
Nothing better than a Monday.
And
Yes.
eventually it's embedded
5 minutes
in his
early.
mechanical arm. I have
But you
it
deserve
for
it.
Mechanical arms. As you
It's
can
been a
see.
long weekend. We had a long Monday.
I always loved them.
And
I got ruined by Full Metal Alchemist
welcome.
when I was a kid.
Whoop.
And then every time I see mechanical arm,
and let's say
why
hello
not
to the rest
me?
of you. Woo! Hey! You have Twitch Turbo, so now you can make your chat color really custom. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Is that what Twitch Turbo does? By the way, I want to get this out of the way. Got sick yesterday. I sound like shit. I apologize for the stuffiness. And if it annoys you too much, you know, tell me. And I'll just play music louder instead of talking. But yeah. I can't help it. The damn kids. They just bring whatever they want home. But hey, still here, still live. And you know what time it is. Boop. You see that bad boy? If you are part of the Discord, you have already seen this, but we have our community submitted metal cover by the wonderful Indie Indie Pawn. He goes by many names. So let's debut it. So it's on the record for YouTube. Well, more than the YouTube channel it already lives on. And here it is. Say It Ain't So by Weezer. The metal cover. Enjoy. Oh yeah, and I sped it up about 50% because it sounded more metal.
Oh yeah. All right. Somebody's hiding, scalding my icebox. Somebody's cold one, you give it back out. Guess I'll just close my eyes. All right. Feels good inside.
They want to watch.
Rip on the telly, wrestle with Jimmy. Something got bubbling behind my back. Bottle is ready to roll. Saying it's over, your drug is a heartbreaker.
Ooh, monkey.
Saying it's over, my love is a life taker.
Interesting. Ad free on every channel.
I can't confront you, I never could do. That was my idea, not a big goal. When I say this way, you're the one that's got away from me to teach you further every day. To be cool. Saying it's over, your drug is a heartbreaker. Saying it's over, my love is a life taker. Daddy, I write you in spite of his silence.
Yeah, I sped it up. It was just boring. I usually speed up the metal covers. I didn't do that last time. I should have.
The sun is drowning in the fire. Yeah. Saying it's over, your drug is a heartbreaker. Saying it's over, my love is a life taker.
All right. Oh, you got to get T3. And that was it. That was Say It Ain't So, metal cover requested by Indie Pawn. Me when I, Indie. And yeah. You could also do the same thing by turning in 10,000 channel points. Dormants, as you will. T3 stack? What's that? I'm not familiar. Is that like a Terminator thing? T3 stack? Alright, let's look it up. T3 app? Oh, type safe? Type safe Next.js. Isn't that just TypeScript? Streamline the setup of type safe Next.js without compromising modularity. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, the best of full stack TypeScript ecosystem. Okay, so it is TypeScript. Nice. That's great. You like my TypeScript type safe, bruh? And my cheese driven, bruh. Yeah, there's two things in this world I like. My TypeScript typey and my cheesy. Yeah, I agree. I agree with you. You need that drip of cheese. And you know who we got back? Dak dude. I will not look that up. That sounds gross. Oh, Logan Ballshead? Yeah. That makes sense. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna restart stream avatars. And we're gonna turn off the metal cover because that has been completed. Let's see if we can get some more dudes floating around. KSI's new song? No. It's KSI. Oh, we got Game Doodle here too. What up, Game Doodle? Oh, that's right. I don't know. I don't know much about KSI. Except that he's internet famous. What? Ah. Feeling a little laggy, computer. What's going on, bruh? Nothing special. Alright. From the screen to the ring, to the pen, to the king. Where's my crown? That's my bling. Always drama when I ring. What? Fire. Fire bars, man. Okay. Well. Check this shit out. My sword. It's very strange how it floats around, but could be worse. Alright, I'm not digging this lagging shit. What's going on? I don't have like anything going on here. Let's update the browser, why don't we? Sometimes they like to screw you. Hey, look, giant sloths. Don't care. Just make sure my computer's not slow and laggy. Oh yeah, that's better. See? They do that shit. When it has an update, it starts lagging you out. Like, hey, upgrade, bitch. Are you gonna be slow today? Did you hear about Lunchly? No, what's Lunchly? Lunchtime, fuel reimagined. Ooh. Ew. Oh, it's just fucking... It's just YouTube lunch? Gross. A Feastable and a Prime drink? What is this trash? Oh no. I like the website though. They really know how to fucking gouge your eyes out. Alright, well, you know what time it is. I don't have to say it twice. So I'll say it. I mean, whatever. Scotch and ASMR. Nope, I fixed the speaker blocking. This is a little for. Ew. Whoop. Shaboop. Back to this random website. Holy crap. This time my speakers won't get... Oh yeah, I sent 2,300 messages in September. Impressive. You've watched one day in 18 hours in September. I'm not sure if that's true. You've watched 22 out of 22 streams. My 22 streams? That's impressive. That's a good streak. Cheers to that. I'll show you something. Let's see if I can do it. Oh no, I can't. How do you do emotes? Let's see if I can do this myself. Here we go. That's for you. One day, you'll get there. You can have the golden Orbem. Why am I just like stuck on this slideshow? Let's keep going. Nobody wants to watch this slideshow. Ooh, lunch locator. Fuck you. I'll decline all your bullshit. Oh, shit. Hey, Michigan. They are tracking my location. I did not give them permission to do that. Oh, that is crazy. Oh, that's gross. And that's way too far. Definitely not worth. This is like the worst Lunchable I've ever seen in my life. Why? God damn it. Why do people make these stupid things? Uh-oh. We lost... Oh no, we lost the stream avatars because of Scotch time. I should just make the Scotch time like a thing I turn on and off, but... whatever. I just made it a scene. At least we still got our trio. Oh man. Happy Monday. Woo. Wife's out of town. Taking care of all the kids and dogs, so you will hear random shit in the background. Maybe. I don't know. This mic's pretty good at directionally canceling out background noise. But we're making some really good progress on this game, man. I mean, we only have to finish the weapon mechanics, which I need to create a heavy attack and a charge attack. So that means if you double click, I'll say triple click. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 maybe. 1, 2, 3. Then it does like a big hit. And then if you hold and then let go, it's going to do a charge attack. You lost your sub in 14 days, so you're going to have to convince your mom to help continue your sub. You lost your sub? Oh, you lose it in 14 days. Wow, has it already been 2 weeks? It's crazy. It's cool, man. Just dig the ads. What's this? Your favorite YouTuber? If I don't like this YouTuber, we're not friends.
We're SiteGround, experts at managed website hosting. We invest most of our time.
My uncle just left this comment on his own picture of a frog. There are no other comments or likes. You will soon learn to appreciate me. There are many ways those of advanced years can misunderstand Facebook. They can misunderstand groups. Had a steak when it came, tasted more like a pork chop. It's the driest piece of meat I've ever had. Hey, I believe you wrote this on the wrong business, as I'm a dog groomers. If you could remove this review, please. Can misunderstand stickers. A woman died and her 4 children were injured after a crash in the valley. Bye. This seems a tad inappropriate. Sorry, I don't know how to remove yet, still learning. Misunderstand photos, like this picture my dad gave me for Christmas. Misunderstand everything. Add a positive word to this jar that starts with the first letter of your name. Soup. But one of the more common is old people mistaking Facebook for Google. Desks for ladies. What? This does occasionally happen on Twitter. Nigel Farage. Hot pics. Delete tweets. I thought I deleted this morning. I was looking for him hot because of the weather, not sexy hot by accident. And occasionally by text. Japanese term in World War II for committing suicide. Oh, sorry, I thought I was in Google. But most of the time, it's Facebook. Are you at the cricket? Nah, leaving Port Douglas today for Cairns, then fly home tomorrow. Bondage. Well, where did that come from? Allow me to preface this by saying, of course, it's not just the older generation that make mistakes on Facebook. I make mistakes on Facebook. You kids, when you grow up, I know you think you won't. You'll make mistakes on whatever the social media will be then, and think how confusing that's going to be. You'll be bartering with an AI shopkeeper in Hawkter NFTs for the new Meta Brain Chip Premium so you don't get adverts in your sleep. For now, though, we'll stick with the current older generation. And what's on your mind, Elizabeth? Thanks for asking, young man. Honey Baked Ham Company. Information on CBD. Disregard. What is the weather like today, Google? Answer me, Google. What is the weather like? Naked women with big breast. Poor bastard even liked his own comment. Theme song. Lymph node. Facebook. YouTube videos. For guck. My 88-year-old grandma was trying to search pileated woodpecker on Google. Pileated, woodpecker. Short haircuts. How'd you turn up the volume on this thing? An old friend's grandma posted this. I guess she was trying to Google it. Idaho obituary. Skull emoji. Where is the banana bread recipe? Banana bread recipe. Banana bread. Oh, that's a nice photo. Chicken recipes. Anyone have a 3-bedroom house?
Okay, stop. Oh, fuck. There's a nice photo. Chicken recipe. Oh, man. Oh, I didn't even think about that because, you know, in your phone, like, there's just little text areas everywhere, you know? So if you happen to have Facebook open, you're just typing away. Old ladies and old men. Ugh. That's funny, especially if you put like a Facebook widget or something like that on their phone. They probably open it up by accident. Oh, God. That's a nice photo. Chicken recipes. That's funny. Anyways. Oh, I'm so clouded. You know when you take Dayquil at night that you have issues. Oh man. Whew. All right. Well, let's. Yeah, Maros. He's fucking funny. Hey, he's almost at 1 million too. I'm surprised he didn't make it yet. That guy's been around for a while. But yeah, I talked to a dude on Fiverr today. He had a metal cover of a Sonic theme song that he got instrumentals made for, and he's trying to find someone to do some singing. A little confusing. I don't know where the singing. He had some like placeholder singing that made it sound like it already had a cover, not a metal cover though. And he was like trying to make a metal cover of the cover. It seems like, but maybe not. Maybe somebody just sang the maybe he sang the placeholder. I don't know. But it seems like his YouTube channel. I mean, he has a few thousand subscribers, but it was mostly like Power Ranger music, like covers of Power Ranger songs. I guess Sonic's coming out with a third movie. Is this true? It is. Okay. Yeah, so it's coming out. So he wanted to create this video for that. Your YouTube video got 62 views. Which one? Which one are we talking about? Am I a subscriber to you? Are you Code Revolution TV? No. What are you? Indiepon? Lil Levy? Ah. Oh yeah, look at that.
Hello guys, today I will show you how to collect user input in Python. First, make sure you have your Python file open, and once you have that, let's get it started.
You know what? I like this video.
Okay, so we want to create a variable to hold the user input. So we'll
Ooh.
say
I made a clear pizza.
name
Not gonna get me with that one again. I watched the whole YouTube video of this girl making a clear sandwich. Bread, the ketchup. I don't know why you'd put ketchup on a sandwich, but bread, cheese, ketchup, meat, and that shit was stupid as fuck. The bread was like made of some weird powder that they put in the air fryer, and not quiet since this is before I set my mic. Oh, nice. The video was quiet since it was recorded before I changed the mic volume. That makes sense. I also have YouTube quiet right now, so it could have been me as well as you. We're in it together. But yeah, clear sandwich, gross. And apparently it was effing disgusting. Boop. Well, that didn't work. That mission was supposed to finish. What the hell happened? What the fuck? That's really weird, actually. That was working last stream, wasn't it? It definitely was working. Alright, well, now we have something to test. Thanks for the subscriber. No IDE, where the other 11 came from. I'm just kidding. I know what you're saying. We barely need most of words, you know. We can really infer what people are saying with very little letters. So what the nut is going on with this logic? Because I swear that I already fixed this shit. Uh-huh. I know I was trying to do the whole array thing. If it's an array, then add as an array.
I think I was doing that in here, right?
I was doing a whole bunch of is arrays, right? Yeah, this one right here. You're so Orbem, 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 Orbem. You're so Orbem. Orbem, order. I agree, man. I'm with you. I'm very Orbem. Where'd you get the name Orbem from? It's not that interesting of a story. You can look up the word Orbem. Definition. And you'll come down to something like... yeah, this one's a good one. It's the accusative singular of orbis. Okay? So it's like the singular of orbis. Orbem. And orbis is Latin, classical Latin, for number 6, right here. The earth, the world, the globe, okay? It's often written as orbis terrarum. So I took the singular version of orbis, which vaguely means earth or world or globe or whatever, and I said orbem. So just like something that's like a little bit weird to find, but still has an origin of the earth because it's a parallel universe. You know, I want it to be like, oh, it's a parallel planet. Orbem, you know, you can find its root in our universe somehow. Yeah. Anyways, that's Orbem. Nothing too crazy. And if you look up Orbem, you know, there's Orbem everywhere. There's other books with Orbem in the name, and it's usually, you know, mentioned with other things. And especially eggs. Really into eggs. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm a little confused by why these are fucking me. Let's see here. Practice kendo. Yes. Practice kendo. Yes. Practice kendo. Practice kendo. Yes. Correct. And breakable. So I did this right here. No other item attached to mission. So if it's not, then blep. And I'm checking the multi-item. Yeah, see, I did all this shit, so why is it not working? Booking.com. Booking dot. Fuck yeah. Such a random thing. Booking. Like, who interchanges booking with fuck? You know what I mean? That's such a weird... Yeah, go book yourself. Go booking. I'm booking serious. You know, the way they do their commercials. Oh, man. I was on a couple other streams earlier. Some good stuff. We definitely have to raid Grosjean later if he's still on. I almost need to plan that out. I was fucking with him earlier. Let's see, what do you got here? Nice. What is it? Why is this even a thing? The TV picture? Oh, JTV user pictures. It's probably my avatar? What the hell is this? Whose CDN is this? I demand you tell me. The fuck is jtv.net? Nothing. Just a CDN. Oh, it's Twitch's CDN. I'm all digging in. Oh. That makes sense. TV. that my profile photo? I thought it was the shield. Spurt man that likes to party. Oh, it has been? Okay. That makes sense. Exactly. They don't call me Superman, they call me Smart Man. With the power to make it rain. Weather powers. Very important. Okay. So we already have this, blah, 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 blah. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Right. And then it'll remove it. Unless that's false. Okay, so I'm gonna actually put a console on this because I wanna know what the hell's going on. Oh shit, I can't do that here. Oh yeah, I can do it here. A smirk emote? Yeah, I should do that. I gotta make a really dumbass face to do that. That won't be too hard. Really stupid faces constantly. Alright, let's see what's up with this bitch. False. Yes. False. Yes. False. Wrong. Alright, so that's wrong. Why was this working before? So all it does is it passes the mission. Uh-huh. Oh, wait. I might have screwed myself. So wait, if missions don't exist, then no other item attached to this mission. So that actually should default to true. If they don't exist at all. Not false, right. So false would be blah 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 is 1 greater than or equal to this. False, yeah. That was gross, sorry. Alright, let's try this again. False, false, and false. Well, that's incorrect. So, what the nut is going on here? I have a feeling mission is wrong. No. Is there another mission? Let's check. There is no other mission. Oh. Oh shit, look. It's right here. Wait, what? Oh, that's right. That's right. I'm hiding them so that I could send all 3 of them. Why did I do that? I don't even remember. I don't remember. Are these still selling? Would you ship to Spain if I pay for ship? I don't do international shipping, I'm afraid. Afraid of what? Do not be scared. I love language. I'm afraid of Spain. I'm afraid of shipping. That's really funny. Nah, man. Okay, so here's the problem. I'm an idiot. I'm hiding these now when you hit them. And I don't remember why I did that. So let's go back. Actually, this should still be true. Alright. So, yeah, let's go here. Let's get rid of you. So what I'm doing is... this obviously... Okay. Yeah. Is it... Did I just do this backwards, maybe? True equals no other item attached. Then remove. Why would I want to do that? Why would I not want to remove them? There was a reason. It was because it wasn't persisting all three. Right. But these aren't being persisted either. Okay, well, it's supposed to be. Oh, okay, here. Maybe that's why. I need to persist these. And then remove them. Yeah. I can't think of anything, any other reason why not. You will break a law tomorrow. Which one? Persist items. Oop. Oop. Persist item. Item. Which is item. Type. Oh, I think that's what it was. I didn't want to do persist item because I didn't want to have to do all the amount logic. So what I wanted to do was send all three to save mission. Okay, I get what I was laying down. Okay. So hide. So what I should be doing is checking not if they exist, but if they're invisible. Tomorrow, my friend will be murdered. Who murdered them? You or me? Oh, I didn't read the first message. Hold on. And I will witness a law being broken tomorrow. Tomorrow my friend will be murdered. Who murdered them? You or me? This sounds like a riddle. You will witness a law being broken. He said, I'll break a law tomorrow. You'll witness a law being broken. Who murdered them? You or me? Hold on. I'm so fogged up. I'll see the law being... Oh no, I'll break a law. You witness a law being broken tomorrow. Your friend's gonna die. Who murdered them? You or me? I guess me. I know that's not the right answer, but yeah, that makes sense. I'll have killed them. Cause I'll break the law and then you'll see it. I'm gonna have to kill your friend. There we go. Problem solved. Just name the time, I guess. Got nothing better to do. Okay, so we got this. We got this. Okay, cool. So I'm already going through all of these. It was some random guy named YATW. Read the first letter of every sentence. What? That's not a name. No, I definitely did it. Or I'm definitely gonna do it. It's me. Visible or not equals the multi-item dot style dot display equals none. Okay. And if that's true, that means you just made that riddle up? That's good. That's a good one. I mean, it's a good one to throw people off. Hey, it's your other request. So, if true equals visible or not, yeah, I would just say is visible. Okay. True equals is visible, then push. No. So we're going through this. No, I'm doing this wrong. I need to add this to the other part. Yeah, I'm doing this wrong. This is where it needs to be. So we'll do that. Yeah, we'll do it here. Okay, cool. Loop through to see if any are visible. Animations. Animations. Shit. What the hell was that? Oh, wait. That's not what I meant to do. Item mission. Okay. What the fuck? I fucked up. Damn it. Tom Sawyer Rush. Is that like a 20-minute song? I don't know if I'm ready for that. Okay, so const is visible. Isn't Tom Sawyer super fucking long? Or is that a different Rush song? Oh, it's 4 minutes. What's that fucking Rush song that's like 1,000,000 minutes? It's... Unless I'm thinking of the wrong band. I mean, 7 minutes. It's pretty long. I swear they've had like a much longer song. I mean, 7 minutes is pretty long, but 6 minutes. Huh. Eh, maybe I'm tripping. There it is. Yeah, that's what it is, I think. It's the damn 20-minute song. Thank God you're not doing this one. Excuse me. Alright. Is visible equals none equal does not equal item mission not the style display. Is visible, then return no other item false. Oh, I guess I could build the array. Then visible items. We'll do const let visible item equals 0. Okay. If 1 is greater than or equal to true. Okay. Why is this not working? No. I guess that's not how you do it. Sorry about the above message, was typing in beat of the song. That makes sense. Even the Discord dev was a thing. And then spending time typing out the full URL. Oh, nice. What the hell? Oh, god damn it. Wait, no, visible items. Yeah, that's a thing. It's right fucking here. What? Did I spell wrong? Visibile. Oh, fuck. I'm the worst. So this probably would have worked. There we go. Alright, let's check this out. This might work. Yeah. Boop, 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 boop. Alright. Chiefs are gonna win. Okay. Let's see if we can persist you. And we'll go hiya. And hiya. Yay! Alright, that worked. No. That did not work. I fucked up. What did I type? Right here. Idiote. What the hell? Oh. Alright, let's try again. Hiya. Yeah. And yeah. Alright. Looks like no console errors. Did it go through? Yep. Points. Did the mission save? Does not look like it. Coordinates. Mission, right there. What's the payload? Practice kendo. Did the persist items ever get... It didn't pass. Okay, so that might not have persisted them then. I thought it would. Oh, it did. Yay. We did it. All right. I think it worked. Jalab wants to access your Discord account. Want to have a developer login. Oh, nice. You got Discord login, SSO. Hell yeah. That's pretty cool. Let's go. Ooh. Dumbass with a sweater. He ordered some more parts. Let's go. Alright. Let's double check this is persisting. It is. Fantastic. Alright. So now that we have the mission working properly, we need to make it so it basically each tatami requires a different move. And what do we got? Let's see. Oh, this? Yeah, it's pretty fantastic. I bet it smells great too. So, let's go to the fighting shit. Key code. Alright, what let's fix this. What is this? Deprecated. This feature no longer running. Maybe deprecated key code event only. You should avoid using if possible. Shouldn't use key code attribute. Blah blah blah. It's a special key code that is not useful in printable characters. Key press. When implementing a shortcut can learn the key press event is usually better. Huh? Key press? So how do I do it? Wait, so what's the replacement? For Kiko, summarize part of the false quite well, blah blah. Event key and event code. Typing into the like shift alt and caps lock state. Oh. Key being pressed regardless of keyboard layout. Oh. Alright, let's see what. Ooh. Key code. Oh, so now they're different. Shit. Blank space. So, which? Oh, no. That's what we don't want. I'm like, I want that. Okay. Then I guess we're gonna need to use code. Ooh, I like code. Alright, let's replace code, I guess. So, event code. And 32 is spacebar. And 39 is the right arrow. Wait, what's right arrow? arrow right. Oops. Arrow right space. Is it capital? I guess. The physical key on the keyboard doesn't care if you are holding modifier like shift. Oh, it doesn't. Interesting. What was the one that does care? Shift D. Doesn't care. Oh, it does. Yeah, it actually shows you different. Okay, that's kind of cool. The only thing is about space bar. I don't like blank space. Caps lock, shift, blank space. So that's weird. Oh, I guess it would just be blank space. Alright, whatever. Has to be the best thing you've ever made. Yeah, okay. Anyways, what was I doing? I was doing different key code, not these. Hope this is the right thing. Let's switch you with code. And we'll call you. I think 32 is spacebar. Okay, so spacebar is to kill people. So this is how I do my thing. So, you hit it once, you're good. But I'll need a timeout so it can count if you hit it 3 times within a certain span. Yeah, because I can't just be like 1, 2, 3. Like it has to have a timeout where it resets. So let's try that. So we'll do weapon counter equals 0. And then we'll do oh no, we can't do that. We gotta put that outside. Left. Let weapon counter equals 0. Then we'll do weapon counter plus. Okay, but we'll have to reset with a set timeout. So we'll do set timeout. Run dev. I will not. Okay. So if you click 3 buttons within, you know, half a second, like pop, pop, pop. Or if you don't, then weapon counter will get reset to 0. Okay. Reset if doesn't click 3 fast enough. And alright, let's spell. Only engage if not a spell or mana is not 0. What? Only engage if not a spell. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, because if it's a spell, then yeah, mana's not 0. Alright, man. I'll see you in a bit. So this is what happens. This is what makes the thing engage. And then I have a set timeout here that's really quick that makes it come back. Which is fine. What I'll have to do is... That's not what I'm doing. Oh, that is what I'm doing. What? Mana points. Oh. It's for a spell, that's why. Hey, Tack Dude, man. Welcome to the party. You came just in time for the rave. You are. You are the ghost. You are ghosted. Welcome, my friend. Glad to have you back. Hope you had a great trip. Okay. So this is the set timeout. But yeah, weapon time is determined by that. So what I want to do is if false equals spell, no, if true equals spell, or false equals spell, and ooh, you found a hilarious anime? Which one? I'm all ears. Okay. If that and 3 is less than weapon counter. A spell or weapon or user has not hit weapon 3 times consecutively, then reset weapon. Okay. Alia sometimes hides her feelings in Russian on Crunchyroll. What? Romantic comedy that by far is not appropriate for anyone younger than 13. Even though it's frackin' hilarious. Is it just inappropriate humor the whole time? Like, boobs and butts the whole time? Is that why? Here, let's get an idea of what we're talking about. Alia sometimes hides her feelings in Russian. Excuse me. Oh, okay. I've seen a commercial for this on Crunchyroll. It seemed kind of dumb, because it was dubbed, and I do not like dubbed. But it's probably funny. Wait, spell? Is that not the right thing? Oh, is spell. My bad. Okay, this should work. So what's going to happen here is I'm going to click it slowly and nothing's going to happen. And then if I click it a bunch of times fast, like 3 times fast, it should not reset the weapon. So I go, what? Oh, it didn't work. Okay. Well, that's not good. That means I screwed something up. If true equals spell or false equals spell and 3 is... Oh. 3 is greater than or equal to. My bad. I did that backwards. That means if I do this 3 times. No, that didn't work. Okay. My counter might not be working then. Yeah, this is not working. Alright, what the hell's going on, counter? So here's my weapon counter. Oh, maybe event code's not working. Let's see what that is. I actually haven't tried this yet. So this could just not be what I want. Yeah, sorry, Deck Dude, I'm sick. So I sound gross. And it's nobody's fault. Oh. Is this not a string? Is this not a string? Oh, is it supposed to be like that? I don't think that's possible. No. So... I was wondering why my DB didn't work. It wasn't online. Oh, that sucks. False. Okay. It doesn't like it. Wait, how the hell do I... Event.code. How do I check what's what? Show me. Keyboard event key. Code. Yeah, I don't give a shit about that. How do you check what's what? Where is it? Show me the click event. I don't give a shit about all this. I'll key down. Here's event. Okay. Oh, code. See, look, it's doing it in fucking string. How come mine's not working? Space bar event code. It's not working though. Oh, space, not space bar. I'm an idiot. My bad. I'm not paying attention. Oh, I did it right here. But I did not do it right here. Interesting. My bad. Okay, let's try this now. Check Discord DMs, let's see. Ooh, create T3 app. Ooh, fun. Very nice. Let's go, T3 app. Alright, let's see if this works. 1. Yes! It worked. Alright. Now, if I click this again, you see nothing happens. Like, wah. Wah. So I can be like, bah. Bah. But, if I click it 3 times, 1, 2, 3. No. Is half a second too quick? Alright, let's check this. It looks like the weapon counter is not working. That's fine. So start... Oh. Oh, my bad. Of course, because it resets it to 0 every time. Alright, alright. Everybody shut up. Stop making fun of me. Alright. Everybody calm down. So that's good. That's good. That's good. Cool, but if I go bop 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 bop. Still not working. Did it compile? Okay. Hold please. What the fuck? Next you will try to add Google Auth because Next Auth comes with a ton of auth. Yeah, Next Auth is good. It's got a lot of shit built in. Alright, this isn't working. Hold on. So weapon counter. The timeout sets it. I just wonder if this is too quick. So let's see what we get here. I also wonder if this is, since it's, I think this is part of, hold on. No. Yeah, okay, cool. I was gonna say, I thought this was, might have been part of the walking interval. That would have been dumb. Okay. Let's see what we get from the weapon counter. One. 2. Oh, interesting. So it keeps resetting it. Oh, well, that's what I want. Okay. So that's fine. No, that's not fine. Oh, I need to clear the timeout. I'm an idiot. Clear timeout. On key down. Clear the timeout. Alright. There we go. Let's add that to the big board top. Let weapon counter timeout. Alright. Oops. Counter. Correct. Your announcement? Let's check. I think I did. Oh yeah, about the whole horror game Boo Fest. I didn't read the stuff, so let's see. The game must be free to play. Okay. You may not recommend the same game more than once. The game must be a horror game. You cannot recommend more than one game. Wait, what do you do though? Make sure that you decide Spookfest is a business. All you have to do is recommend a horror game. Okay, so you will play the horror game, and then we will get free VIP rank on Discord. Okay, so it's basically just whoever. So everybody submits a game, and whoever's game gets the most votes wins, and then you play it. Sounds cool. Pop, 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 pop. Oh, there, it worked. I need to set it to 2, and that's way too fast. Spacebar, spacebar. Oh, space, space. So let's give ourselves a little bit more breathing room. We'll do a second. Pop, pop, pop. And then we need to make it 2. There we go. Oh, right. It's gonna be a free game. Can it be a Roblox game? Let's try this out. Pop, pop, pop. Oh yeah, there we go. Cool. Let's try it now. Let's see it not hit. So that's good. Uh-oh. Okay, 1 second's too long. Let's do like 700. You have Roblox? Roblox? Cool. Yeah, that'd probably be a good one to do. There's a lot of horror games on Roblox, and they're free. Alright. Let's see if the timeout worked. Where? Oh yeah, there we go. Much better. So now I can do this. And just hit somebody and be like, whack, whack. But if I want to go big attack, I go 1, 2, 3. There we go. Nailed it. Alright, cool. We good. Good. Alright. So now that we have that, we need the else. So, what's going to happen is, it's going to set a different class, which is going to generate a weird fucking attack. So instead of, yeah, so it's still going to have this, because we're going to have to go back to start, but we'll have to give this its own amount of time, maybe like half a second, maybe like a whole second. I don't know, that might be too long. Let's do a whole second. And this one's going to be weapon, class list, add, and we're going to call this heavy engage. Okay. We're going to have to remove both classes. Heavy engage. Alright. Let's make sure this works, and we'll add some styling for the heavy attack. You got a cool smartwatch for 20 bucks? Sick. Hand cam. Yeah, you mean like walk around with a gimbal? That'd be cool. Alright. Let's see if this works. Nice, it worked. Great. So you go like whack, 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 whack. And then if you want to do the heavy attack, you go 1, 2, 3. It didn't work. Wait. Huh. Ooh, that's weird. What happened? Why is it not working? Huh. Supposed to work. Oh, maybe the set timeout's getting reset every time. Yeah, I need to make sure that you're not allowed to keep clicking. So let's set something here. Would you press the button, you get nothing, but Taylor Swift doesn't. Ooh, that'd be fun. Yeah, I'd do it. I don't need any more of that. Okay, so we're gonna add a class, and then after a second, okay, it's gonna remove both. I mean, I guess we can do that. Oh, I think what's happening is when I re-hit it, it's still going. So yeah, what I need to do is basically block everything. So I need to do this like heavy attack in progress equals false. Alright. But when you do this, it's going to be heavy attack in progress equals true. Alright. And this is going to be let heavy attack in progress equals false. Alright. So, the real shit is you don't want any of this happening. If weapon and heavy attack in progress is false, then it'll go. Cool. But I spelled heavy attack in progress wrong. Do 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 do. Alright, this should work. How does he do it? How does he come up with this weird fucking logic? I don't know, man. It just comes to me. Alright. So. That worked. Kinda. But it's like resetting it. Yeah, I think if you're spamming, the counter definitely needs to reset. So I think what will happen was, once it gets to 3, I should reset it. Or no, not once it gets to 3. No, dubbed animes are almost impossible for me to watch. The voices are so goddamn bad. You know, I get why people do it because they don't want to they want to have it in the background and listen to it and stuff like that. But I just won't watch an anime if I can't read the subtitles. You know, they're so bad. I got really used to dubbed animes back in the Toonami days, you know, when I was watching it when I was young. Because they had dubbed animes on Cartoon Network at night. So, like, there were some animes that I'm used to the voices, and that's how I grew up. But even those, the Japanese versions are so much better. Rurouni Kenshin, Shamai Champloo, fucking Full Metal Alchemist, just Naruto, any of those, like, they're so much better. One Piece, holy crap. The dubs are so bad. Even my daughter can't even watch dubbed anymore. She used to. She still kind of does. Depends on the anime, but usually she can't. Same with like the Ghibli movies, the Ghibli movies. Like I can't watch them in English, except for House Moving Castle. I love Christian Bale. Yeah, I have a Crunchyroll premium subscription. No, I have premium. Yeah, of course I have a Crunchyroll subscription. You out of your mind? I ain't watching no ads. Yeah, it's good. Isa good. Man, I remember Crunchyroll was super underground. Like, fucking 20 years ago. not that long ago, but a long time ago. I was watching it. Maybe about 10 years ago. And I was, you know, they had all like the newest anime straight from Japan right when they released, you know, before the TV networks were getting them. You can still change the language to Japanese and the subtitles to English, yeah. Oh, we made to 100. Without Indy's chatbot, we don't tend to get to 100 as quick. Okay. So this kind of works. But the problem is that this is not getting reset to 0 once it gets to 3. What I should do is stop it at 3. And if you keep spamming it though, then it'll never stop being 3. So I need to reset it once it hits 3. I think that's it. Yeah. Let's do that. So where is it? Okay, plus. Yeah. So perp. We'll also do this. If weapon counter is greater than 3, if 3 is less than weapon counter, then we'll do, or how about if 3 equals, then we'll reset weapon counter to 0. Cool. That should work. Counter once 3 is hit to reset the attack after heavy attack finishes. I'm trying to write more comments. Holy crap. If you want me to, I will. Habla Jabba says you're fired. Oh, nice. Alright, here we go. Let's see if that fixed it. Bop, 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 bop. Oh, well, that's not good. Let's do 4. Oh, not equals. Let's do is 3 is less than. Yeah, my bad. Now it's not getting to the heavy attack. So when I do that, when I get to 3, it should do the heavy attack. Let's double check what we're seeing here. Doesn't appear to be doing it though. Okay, no, it's working. Oh, it seems like engage is getting removed. Why? Because it shouldn't be getting removed. Right, so that's not it. Is spell. Oh, I need to reset this. No. Wait. So if we're in the process, this can't be hit. So why is this getting removed? Oh, this is getting set because of this, isn't it? 2 is greater than or equal. Yeah, it's resetting. Let's do this. But this shouldn't be even getting hit because heavy attack process is not false yet. Let's check if this is working. Because it doesn't seem to be working. Alright, let's check this out. Yeah, that's a pretty disappointed face, if I do say so myself. Oops, did not mean to do that. Quit. Explode my computer. Oh, scotch hurts when you're sick. Okay, here we go. Shut up, dog. Yeah, right. So we go pop, 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 pop. Alright, what do we got? False. False, false, false. True. It's just weird that it keeps getting reset. Why are you getting reset? Let's get rid of... I don't think it's this. Why are we doing this twice? Is this supposed to change or something? What the fuck? I have is spell right here. Alright. So... what's happening is... I think this one's getting hit. Even though it shouldn't be. Because when this is true, it doesn't get reset for a second. Maybe a second's just not long enough. Let's just like make it something really long and double check. Or if it's getting reset on its own somehow. Yeah, see, it's still getting reset. I think what I should do is make weapon counter even lower. So that's if 3 is less than weapon counter, it goes back to 0. But like, I really need a... I don't know. Maybe it's not a big deal. No problem, Indy. Welcome back, my friend. So, I don't know where the engage is happening. I don't think it's this. So I'm gonna get rid of this just to see. But it does something does appear to be happening though. Okay. So it was that. Shit. Why are you getting hit? How is that even possible? So that means that the heavy tech in progress is not doing what I want. Link to the sub of the anime. Oh no, that's cool. That shit's being promoted on Crunchyroll. It's easy to find if I want to watch it. I don't have time to watch new animes though. I still need to wait for One Piece to finish the fucking Vegapunk saga. Okay. So this is not working. Why? Heavy attack. False. But it's not false. Unless this is getting reinstated or something randomly. I don't think it is though. So this should not be true when it is true. Huh. Yeah, it's false. Go down here. False. The only time it can be true is if the counter starts heavy attack. And once it's true for 3 seconds. Which is working for this. But for some reason, this timeout's getting hit still. And we don't know why. The only thing I can think... Why are you getting hit? Counter. Well, let's just do this, I guess. And heavy attack in progress is false. Alright, let's try it out. Obviously it's not paying attention. This is definitely working though, so I don't know. Okay. No, see, look, it reset. When I clicked it again, it reset. Yeah, it just seems like... Is it because the counter is going to 0? You gotta go? Alright, Doc dude. Yeah, I'm not gonna be hanging out too much longer either, my friend. I'm still feeling pretty sick, so I'll probably head out maybe a few minutes early. I want to fix this though, so we'll see. But yeah, I'll catch you in the next one, man. Welcome back. Okay. So there's 2 scenarios when this gets reset to 0. But I don't care if it's 0. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I don't care if you're 0. Even if you're 0. Nah, I'm not gonna die. Kidding me? Shit. Everyone's gonna die before I do. The world will die before I do. So even if it's 0, 2 is greater than or equal to weapon counter. See ya. 2 is greater than or equal to no. I was gonna say, what if I just do 2 equals, but that won't work. Oh, that was a really rough sneeze. Oh, wow. Why is this not working? Okay. False a spell. False equals heavy attack in progress. So when I click it again, for some reason... Oh. Is that what's happening? Is it actually setting it to true when it shouldn't? I mean, setting it to false? No, not setting it to false. It's not setting it to true. This doesn't make any sense. What is causing this to become true? What's causing this to become true? Because this is definitely not false. Until this timeout happens. So, let's check what this is again, just for shits and giggles. So this should not be false at a certain point. Okay. False, 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 true. Cool. False, 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 true. Cool. False, 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 true. True, true, true. Okay. It's when I click it too fast. See, it's still true. That's so weird. What is causing that to happen? It's like that set timeout. I think I need to reset that timeout. Maybe that's it. I think this is getting hit. And it's a timeout or something. Maybe. God, that doesn't make any sense. This should not be getting hit. When I'm just spamming it, it's still getting hit. Hey. Hey. It's not. How is it not getting hit? So there is something else. Wait. Hold up. What? So now it didn't get hit. That's weird. It's like sometimes it's getting hit. Okay. Well, I can solve that. It's a little bit of a hacky workaround, but we can basically just do this. If false equals weapon dot classless dot contains heavy engage. This should pretty much do it. If heavy attack is not happening, then you can reset weapon. Alright. This should pretty much do what I want now. I have a feeling. And if this works, I'm out of here. And we'll raid. Oh, I hope Corrosion's on still. I gotta raid him. False. Okay. Oh yeah, that did it. So you can spam it, but it won't. It won't. Yeah, it won't reset the heavy attack. Nice. Alright, cool. Alright, well, let's set that back to, I don't know, 2 seconds. 3's not that bad. Here we go, and 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. That's still kind of long, isn't it? That's cool, and it still resets after the 2 seconds. Okay, well, let's do 1 second. And let's get rid of the console logs to avoid that piling up. Alright. We have a heavy attack. Sick. You see, so you can be like, ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. Heavy attack. You go, ba. But you can still, like, do one-off attacks. Ba. 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 You know. Woo. I think that, timeout needs to be shorter. I mean, I think I could go back down to 5/500ths of a second. Yeah, because I still want to... I want to be able to, like, still swipe people. Like, that's pretty good. That's a good cadence. Okay. So I can go wop wop wop. And that's a heavy attack. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Because I love you guys. We freaking did it, man. All right. Let's rate a motherfucker. Come on, Crozier, be on. Oh, he is. Oh, he's not going to be on for long. All right, everybody. Thank you for everything. Have a great night. We are going to raid our best friend, Crozier. Crozin. And yeah. We'll see you later. Goodbye, everybody.
Want to be here. And try to adjust location, but always spawn.